What's up, guys? I want to tell you about the power of the 20 moving average. Let's go. Now, I'm going to break this down as much as I can, okay? So this right here is one of my charts I did earlier. So let me open up a new chart for you guys. Give me 1 second. So go to now new chart, and let's just do, shoot, I don't know, let's just do this one. Okay, so here's my new chart. Okay, so I'm actually going to start from scratch. I'm going to show you the power of the 20 moving average, but let me go ahead and add this stuff right quick. So let me come here, mode template, and the money indicator, and then bam. Okay, so actually let me actually delete this for you so you guys can see what I did. Okay, so I'm gonna delete my moving averages. Okay, I'm gonna delete that one. I'm gonna delete that one. And let me see, there another one? Yep. I'm gonna delete that one. There we go. Okay. Now, let me show you how I use the moving average. And I'm specifically talking about the 20 moving average because the overall market respects the 20 moving average. But first, let me show you how to get the 20 exponential moving average. So you come up here to inserts, then you come to indicators, and then you come to, I think it's trend, and then moving average, and then there you go. And what I do, I use the period, the 20 period. Here, you check exponential, and then my 20, I make it red because it respects it so much. I want it to pop out to me. So if you see red, that means stop, right? So I'm going to use red, and I always make mine really big. You know, I'm blind. And then I hit OK. Now, so that's how you get the 20 moving exponential average, okay? So let me zoom out and show you guys and explain to you why I say this is so powerful, okay? So if you look here on Euro GBP, or sorry, Euro JPY, you see how this 20 moving average it's kind of hugging the candlesticks, but you see this space right here, right? So you would think if you was trading this pair right now and you see this gap here, this space right here, you would think, well, okay, well, the market's finally about to continue to shoot up. Well, as we see, I'm on the H1, so let me go to the H4. Okay, let me actually hold on. Whenever I am breaking down the market, guys, what I typically do is I come to the H4. I'm going to zoom in, and I always look at my 20 moving average. So back to the space. You guys see that gap here? So typically when you see a gap, that means that the market is going to continue to go up, okay? So rule of thumb, if the candlesticks are on top of the 20 moving average, then that means you're looking for a upward trend. If the candlesticks are beneath the 20 moving average, then you're looking for a downward trend. And I'm going to show you a little bit more of what I mean. But you see the gap here. You see how the 20 moving average is here, right? And then the candlesticks are kind of gapping. It's spaced out from it, right? But then it comes back down, right? It comes back and touches this 20 moving average. And let me zoom in. And as you guys can tell, it kind of tried to get away from the 20 moving average, and then it came right back, right? And then it's kind of consolidating here, and then it tried to push past the 20 moving average, and then it shot back down again. Okay, do you see how it's hugging this, guys? I tell people that the 20 moving average to me is like running track. When you're running track and you're trying to hug that curve, this is kind of how it is with the candlesticks. The candlesticks are literally hugging that curve of the 20 moving average, and every time it gets away from it, it comes and touches it back. Okay, so as you can tell, so here, follow the mouse, right? You see it, and then bam, it's touching it. Then it tries to go past the 20 moving average, and what's going to happen? It's going to come back down. Okay, so let me show you some more examples on something I've already done. So let's go to Euro GBP. Okay, That's probably not a good one. Let's use, as you guys can tell, I'm always working. So let's do GBP USD. All right, here we go. Perfect. So I'm gonna zoom out. This is the M15. So you see how you had this gap here, right? And as you guys can tell, this candlestick bounced off the 20 moving average, and then it was kind of stagnant. But you guys can tell the 20 moving average is here, right? Remember, it's my red one. This white one right here is the 50 moving average. But I'll explain that in another video. Anyways, so this is my 20 moving average here. And as you guys can tell, it's away from the 20. And then what does it do? It come back and hug it. Remember I said it's like running track. It's hugging that curve, hugging that curve, hugging that curve, right? So it's hugging the curve, and then it tried to shoot up, and then it came back down and respected the 20 moving average. Then it's stagnant here, okay? And then it shot back up, and then it shot back down, right? Then it's hugging the 20 moving average. Guys, the reason why I'm telling you guys this so much and saying this so much, I personally recommend that if you are a new trader and don't know nothing about trading, if you have the 20 exponential moving average, you would almost, nothing is guaranteed in the market, but you would almost guarantee your profits, because you know that if this shoots above the 20 moving average, expect it to come back down to respect the 20 moving average. Okay. Let me show you another example. Let's see. Let's go back to M15, or we can do H4. I like using an H4. So let me move my line here. Okay, so you guys can see. By the way, this is my trend line. Let me delete it. I've already got this in my group. Did it delete? Hold on. No, it didn't. Give me a second, y'all. Having some technical difficulties. Hold on. Okay, so looking at the H4 on Euro USD. Do you see what I'm talking about when I say it's respecting and hugging the 20 moving average? Guys, this is my 20 moving average, my 20 moving exponential average. And as you guys can see here, let me just zoom in right quick. Look at it. The candlesticks are a little bit above the 20 moving average, right? And then guess what it does? It comes back down. So it goes up, right? And then it comes back down. But overall, Euro USD right now is in an all-time high. So if you're trading Euro USD, here's a free tip, guys. If you're trading Euro USD, look at the 20 moving average. Do you see it? Look, this 20 moving average is so well respected that the candlesticks ain't even touching it. Even when they touch it, they shoot back up. Because overall right now, this pair right here is up. Whenever these candlesticks on the H4, now M15 it might touch it, but on the H4, whenever this candlestick shoots beneath the 20 moving average, then you probably have a trend reversal. But anyways, I just want you guys to get the concept of the 20 moving exponential average is so respected when you're trading in these Forex markets. Let me probably give you one more. Look at USD JPY. Perfect. Looking at the H4, you see where my 20 moving average is at, guys? My 20 moving average is right here, where my candlesticks is underneath it. So overall, USD JPY right now is in what kind of trend? Downward trend. So if the candlesticks is beneath the 20 moving average, then what are you looking for? A downward trend. If the candlesticks is above the 20 moving average, then what? You're looking for a upward trend. So overall, that might be a little bit confusing, but I just want you guys to grasp the concept of the 20 moving average in these Forex market is really, really, really respected. And if you're going to use it, I potentially say go check out the H4. You can look at the M15, right? So if you are trading the M15, just look at the USD JPY right now. Literally, guys, every time it tries to shoot past it, shot back down. Shot back down. Guys, follow my mouse. Look at that. Respecting it. Respecting it. The market is literally telling you, hey, I'm going to shoot beneath it, and then I'm going to come touch the 20 moving average again. I'm going to bounce off of it, then I'm going to come touch it again. It is literally doing this all day. The 20 moving average is really respected. Use it. This is a secret that's not really a secret. A lot of traders don't talk about this, but I'm here to tell you that this works. It works. I can't guarantee you that it's going to work all the time now, but I will tell you 90% of my trades are successful because I know the market is going to respect the 20 exponential moving average. I hope this video was very, very, very informative. I want to show you guys one last thing before I get off of here. If you want to learn more on stuff like this, more training on stuff like this, I'm going to post my group link at the bottom of this screen, and we're talking about this kind of thing all the time. Okay, we're talking about this thing all the time, guys. I can't make this stuff up. I literally talk about this all the time in my group. Okay, so sorry I went back and forth right there, but I want you guys to see something. Okay, so you guys can tell. Look, obviously we're making big moves here, right? We're making big moves. Let me go to, I think it was CAD. Which one was it? Hold on. I mean, we're talking about this a lot. And like I said, okay, here it goes. Bam, here you go. So you see, looks like a strong downward trend on USD CAD H4. If you trade this pair, be sure to keep in mind that it's respecting the 20 moving average. Whatever the moving average does, this currency pair will do. Guys, I'm telling you, this is powerful. People are winning in my group. People are winning on the team. So my question to you is, what are you waiting for? If you're looking for a group or a mentor or a team like mine, click the link below and come join the team. Look, it's a 5-day free trial, and it's $50 a month after that free trial. I promise you, once you join this group, $50 a month won't be anything, dude. If anything, you'll make that within a couple of hours because we are literally breaking charts down, okay? We even have a motivational section. We have a live Q&A session. Guys, we are doing multiple things. Look, there go my face. But anyways, sorry, I might just get off topic a little bit, but I just wanted to show you guys the power of the 20 moving average. If you like this video and want more videos like this, just hit the comment button and then make sure to subscribe and like my video. But other than that, this is free game. This is the one and only Terry D, the motivational speaker. And like I always say, remember to put God first and everything else will work itself out. Peace. Peace.